Hey guys, got a box from BUDK. So this is, again, the SHTF $20 box. This is the monthly subscription. So we're going to see what we get here in December of 2018. So I'm going to use this rather large Drath knife to open it. As usual, we're gonna open it up from the bottom because they always seem to put the card that tells you what you got on the bottom of the box. So this has worked every time I've gotten this box so far, and boom, like clockwork. Okay, so at least they're consistent. Nice. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put this aside and then we'll grab stuff out as I go through the list here. So again, we're getting the primary box here. This is 20 bucks a month. I am still getting this for just $20. There's no tax, no shipping. So haven't been charged shipping yet, which is pretty awesome. You can also get the Pro box and the Elite box, which would have everything in this box, plus this box, plus this. So I contend that the primary box is the best deal because, you know, you look at the value here, $62.94, which, you know, is debatable. I mean, that you can probably find it cheaper, but, you know, that's a pretty big difference between $19 and $62, about a threefold difference. Versus, you know, go to the Pro box, you pay $50, you get $100 worth of value, so only a twofold difference. And down here, $89.99 versus $164, so less than that even. So anyways, let's start out here. We got a stocking cap with black patch for $12.99. And that is obviously this thing. So, you know, it's a cheap winter hat. Nothing exciting. I don't know. That's not really what I signed up for this box for, to get little gimmicky hats and stuff, but I don't know. Probably use it outside to push snow and stuff. Probably will not wear that out just because, I don't know, it's not that nice. But all right, so we got that. Set that over here. Next item. Oh, and that, so yeah, $12.99 for that. No, I'd say $5 is about all I'd pay for that. Let's see. The SHTF assisted opening knife for $12.99. So we'll see if we can get that out here. Let's see. I'm guessing that is this one. The Yellow Jacket SHTF survival knife. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. So this is your standard, well, actually this is actually a lot cheaper construction. I mean, that's very cheap plastic. This feels like some kind of maybe aluminum here. You do have, looks like aluminum liners, pocket clip, not bad. It is fairly deep carry. You do have the flipper here. Of course, you have the bottle opener and a glass breaker. So it feels cheap. I'll tell you that right now. It feels really cheap. Let's see. It's assisted opening, so there's a spring here. Let's see how that flips out. Okay. I mean, that works. Do that again. Yeah. So there you got the SHTF logo. You got the SHTF on the flipper. And I'll tell you what, that liner lock sticks out there pretty far. It's not too bothersome, but I could see that getting uncomfortable with the ridges on there. But it is a pretty small, you know, pretty thin lock. I mean, it's okay, I guess, but boy, that feels cheap. But, you know, 20 bucks for the whole box, so what can you expect? So there you go. So that's that. Oh, I guess we should give it a little test here. Let's see if we can cut through paracord. Yeah? Let's see if it'll slice paracord. Yep. I mean, it doesn't sail through there by any stretch of the imagination, but it's not bad. It cuts it. Yeah, maybe. There we go. Yeah, it cuts it. So, I mean, it has an edge on it. It's just, you know, will it keep that edge? I don't know. Let's see. Now, we do have all the packing paper. Let's see if it'll cut that. Not well. Not well. So, yeah, not awesome. Not an awesome edge on that. I mean, it has an edge, but it's not shaving sharp or anything. It would need a little bit of honing to meet my preference anyways. Okay, let's see. Next thing is the SOA double shot fixed blade. That would be that right there. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Got the do not eat gel. So really cheap plastic sheath. You have a little belt clip, and looks like you can mount this on another knife as well with that little cutout. Go ahead. Oh, and you do have the SOA symbol on there. So let's go ahead and pull it out of the sheath. Actually, tension's pretty good. I mean, it's not great. You can feel it, you know, but it's not falling out. So you do have to push a little bit on it to get it out. There we go, the one shot, one kill logo on there. Now this is plastic, and then this is some kind of rubber coating on there. So it is grippy. It's light, very light. You do have this little pommel on the end. I can't tell. I mean, it could be full tang, but I doubt it. I'm guessing the blade comes down to about there, and then there's nothing in here based on the weight, and then this thing at the end. But, you know, it is made in China, of course. See that there. Boop. Mystery stainless steel. It is painted black. But, you know. Let's see if it cuts paper. Bring up this paper again. There we go. So you hit it just right and it will. Yeah, this one's definitely sharper than the folder that we got. I mean, it's not amazing by any stretch of the imagination, but it's pretty good. Yeah. All right. This one's definitely sharper. See about the paracord test here. See if it'll slice some paracord. I'm not doing the push through on these because I just don't think it's going to do it. But ooh, that didn't work out. Let's try that again. There we go. So that cut. Let's do that one more time. So you do have to apply some pressure. I mean, it's not sailing through there by any stretch of the imagination, but you know, you cut it. So there we go with that. Got that knife. We'll set that right there. Okay. Next thing we have in our $20 box is the mini blue camo flashlight for $6.99. So there it is. Blue camo flashlight, Trailblazer, which is very, very common to get Trailblazer gear in the SHTF box. So here we have our little flashlight. It does not feel like it has any batteries in it. No batteries. So let's see what kind of batteries this guy takes. Probably AA. I would guess AA. Okay, hang on. I will get a battery and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So it is a AA battery, and there it is. It looks like it has 3 modes. So there's that mode, and then there's the strobe. So you have a low, a high, and a strobe. High, low, strobe. So the camo pattern on that's kind of interesting. And it also, I guess I should show that, so you can narrow the beam or widen it. And that's a smooth action on there. It's plastic and aluminum, but you know, it feels okay. It feels pretty sturdy, and it works. So, all right, I'm cool with that. Nice little flashlight that I'm not angry about. $6.99, sure, why not? Okay, so then we got the magnifying telescope for $9.99. So this says it's a monocular. So let's check that out. Not a telescope. And the box is kind of already screwed up, but that's okay. There we go. It's very, very light. Let's see what we get with our little monocular here. So there's where your eye goes, and yeah, I don't know what the magnification on this is. Guessing a 10x. Let's see if it says in here. It does have a focus on it, so just rotate the eyepiece until it becomes sharp, and doesn't really say anything else. There's everything, the same instructions in different languages, but let's see if the box says anything. Yeah, it doesn't say what the magnification is. Just looking through it there for a second, my guess is maybe 10x, but I don't know. I'll have to look it up. See if I can find anything, I'll put it there. But I don't know. Bug out brand. May not be able to find anything on that. I don't know. We'll see. But it does come with a little carrying case, little nylon carrying case. You know, with a belt loop, standard stuff, and then you got a little cleaning cloth for the glass. Okay, so I don't know. You know, looking through it here, I mean it looks okay. But yeah, there you go, China, like everything else in the box. But that's what to expect for $20. Okay, then we got the last thing, which is the 20-in-1 multi-tool for $10, which would be this thing. So you do have a little clip there. You got a couple little hex wrenches there. Looks like a file on the bottom. Funny thing is, it doesn't say what the 20 different tools are, so I guess you just have to kind of look. It does say file. You got a ruler here. There is a little blade in there. I don't know. I guess you just have to. I mean, let's just open it up. Screw it. Let's just get it out. So. Not sure. Let's see. Rotate. Oh, okay. So you got a wire stripper. You got this little screwdriver bit, I guess. I guess that's what that is. I don't know. It says nails on it. Whew. Boy, it's hard to figure out exactly what everything is on here. You do have more hex bits up here, so you got a 3/8, a 1/2 inch, and a 9/16. And that's it. I don't know. I'm never really happy with the multi-tools. They purport to do a lot of things, and they suck at most of them. I mean, there's your little screwdriver bits, I guess. I don't even know what that's for. I don't know. That one's meh. I don't like that. It's kind of crappy. Okay, well, let's see. Overall, this knife sucks. This knife is cheap, but I think, you know, as a backup knife or something, I mean, useful. Certainly wouldn't mind beating on that one a little bit and just seeing how it holds up. Probably do that in a future video, just see how well that thing holds up. The flashlight I like. I mean, nothing wrong with it. I don't like that the function, you know, it cycles each time you click it on. I wish it would remember what mode you were in and then turn on in that mode, but, you know, whatever. And then this little monocular, you know, I guess it could be useful. It doesn't really magnify that much, you know, so it's hard to say if that would be useful. Probably not, but so overall this month, I'm not all that happy overall. I mean, this is really the only thing I really like. This is okay. Everything else, no, not really. This knife here is terrible. I mean, it just feels like a big piece of crap. So, all right, that's what you get for December. Probably next thing I'll do is another giveaway video. We'll see. So, I'll see you guys next time.